Hello, students. Now let's take a look at question 7. It says, the sum of the first n terms of an Sn is n squared plus 1. We're asked, what is a10? The sum of the first 10 terms, denoted as S sub 10, is equal to the first term a sub 1, added to the value of the second term a sub 2, added to the value of the third term a sub 3, added to the value of the fourth term a sub 4, and the fifth term a sub 5, and so on, up to a10. The sum S9 equals the first term a sub 1 plus the second term a sub 2, and so on up to A9. So S10 minus S9 is basically cutting off all the previous terms, removing them all. So it equals A10. So what is the value of S10? It is simply n squared plus 1, which means 10 squared plus 1, which is 101. S9 is 9 squared plus 1, which is 82. So A10 equals 101 minus 82. That is 1019. So it's 19. So choose the second option. Did you get it? Give me a follow.